Yeah, welcome. If you trade synthetic indices from Deriv, you know that it is not very easy for you to do your charting. More also, if you are monitoring several indices, and it is not that easy to like chart them, do your charting, and then from there you can do your trading. But today I'm going to give you something that will be like a solution whereby you can be able to like view your charts, almost at the same time and be able to like make your decision from the charting you have done. Okay, without much ado, let's dive into it. If you have seen my previous video on how to set up your multiple layouts using Trading View from Deriv. Um, yeah, this is an advanced method, on that. If you have not seen that video, you go back to my, you go back and watch that video, and then you can come here and continue because that video shows you how to download Vivaldi browser, how to install it and set up your browser so that you can have multiple layouts of your chart. Okay, with that said, one thing I have to clarify is that once you open trading view from the Deriv, it also always defaults to volatility 25 index every time. Okay, so how do you refer back to your charts? One thing you have to be doing is that if you are charting this on this charting platform, you must make sure that you save your charts. Okay, let me just open another browser here and then trading view. Trading View. Okay. Okay. Well, I will explain what I was just trying to say. Say it will default to here. Then if I want to like work on, let me say, jump 25, right? This is jump 25 and I want to do my charting here and do my analysis here. I can just you know do a trend line here. Then I'll do my you know demand and supply, my supply here, my demand here, and what again I need to do is I need to save this. You click on save, you save jump 25. So once you save this as jump 25, then if I refresh this window or if I close this browser now, when I open it again, it will default back to volatility 25. But where is my jump 25? Okay, what you need to do is go here, say load chart layout, then scroll down, and this is your jump 25. Click on it, it will open your jump 25. So that is how you can always continue your work. But once you are doing any work or you're doing any analysis, make sure that you always click on save. You always save whatever. Okay, let's assume that I put in you know, another this thing here, right? What I just need to do is I click on here, it will save it. It will save it so I don't lose it. Okay. All right. Okay. With that said, if you look at this particular window now, you see that I have VIX 75 combo and I have this, you see this split screen where I have my VIX 75 index, my volatility 75, and my volatility 1S index. I have 100 volatility 100. You see, sometimes when you try to open them, okay, I can just go back, layout, I'll look for my volatility 100, okay, then I go here, it defaulted back to 25. I go here, I go back to my chart, I look for my volatility 100 at 1S index. So it 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 opens, what the chart, the volatility 1S index, volatility 100 index. You see, I have volatility 50. All right, I can do my this thing volatility 25. I can easily do my analysis volatility 10. Boom, it say this is boom. Okay, I didn't set this to boom because I already marked this as boom combo, right? This is where I have my boom. So I go here, I load my boom 1000. See my boom 1000. I go here, I load my boom 500. Boom 500. Say I go here, I load my boom 300. Okay, let it open. Boom 500 while that is opening. So okay, while that is opening, I if I want to like tile all of them, I hold down my control key or command key on my PC or Mac as the case may be, and then click on each of them. Then I right click and say tile three tabs, tile. So you see that I have the three tabs, tile. I can view the boom while this one is opening. Uh, well, let it open. So that is that. And my step index, I have it here. When it opens, if it is not defaulted to my step index, I can just go here, click on load chart, and then step index, right? This is how you set up all this. So you can say, how do you set up all these combos so that your browser can look like mine. Okay, I will do that now. I have this jump index open. I will open another one, open another browser, Tradingview, right? I want to make this as jump combo, just like I made all these ones. I will make it as jump combo. What I need to do is that hold on your command key or control key and then click on the two browsers, right? Click on the two browsers, then right click on it. Then you said stack two selected tabs, stack two selected tabs. If I stack them, then you see that they are now together. If I come back to that tab where I stack all the two, I right click on it and I say rename tab stack. I rename it, rename, no, no, I'll just say jump combo. You can put whatever you like, right? You can put whatever you like there, jump combo. Then it will take it. So I have my jump combo here. So if I come here, select this one, and then hold down my control key, select this one, and I say tile two tabs. You say I can monitor what is happening here. I can go here and then maybe probably set this one as jump okay, jump 100. So I can set this one as jump 100, and then if I click save, I say jump 100, right? So it's saved. So whenever I want to refer back to it, I'll just click on here, load chart layout, and then scroll to jump 100, and then it comes back. So all in all, that is just basically how you can set up your your screen or your chatting platform so that it looks like mine, so that you can easily meander through whatever instrument you want to trade on, and you can easily do your chatting and then do your trading. I hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel and then like the video, share it so that other people can benefit from it. And then, once you do this, when next I bring up another video, you'll get notification to that effect, and then you can enjoy it. So once again, that's all for now. So till I bring up next video, peace.